Hey guys, Wes here across Armory. Today we're going to be comparing Pepsi versus Coke versus Glock, and we'll see how it shakes out. So, in a quick initial comparison, the Coke is in a can, but it's red. The Pepsi is also in a can, but it's blue. The Glock is in black with metal. So, they share that. Inside is a fizzy beverage. Inside this, also a fizzy beverage. Inside this, still a little fizzy, makes more of a loud pop when you open it. All right, in our first test, we're gonna go Coke versus Glock. Round one. Ooh, that's gonna have to go to Coke. Let's see here. Glock seems fine though. Let's continue testing. Oh, looks like that one's gonna have to go to Pepsi. Now it's time to see how the Glock does against the others. So, let's give it a whirl. Woo! And now, Glock versus Coke. Woo! Son of a gun. Well, I think Glock got it. Well, after careful consideration, evaluating what everything looked like when we were done with testing, I think we can clearly say that the winner of Coke versus Pepsi versus Glock is Glock.